Forgiving ourselves is the gift that we give ourselves. Whether we're forgiving another person or ourselves, it's really one of the highest gifts to give. If we could have done whatever it was we consider wrong any better at the time, we would have. So the beginning of forgiveness is to recognize that we did what we did out of fear or ignorance. And the fact that we can see it now in a way that we couldn't back then when we committed whatever act that was, is not to be used against ourselves, but it's to be used in a way that gives us wisdom. I mean, now we're saying, I have the wisdom to see something I couldn't see back then. So for us to really embrace our wisdom, we really need to forgive ourselves for our trespasses. One of the ways that we can do that is to make amends to other people, and it's also to make amends to ourselves. For instance, if we've been alcoholic and we've wasted years of our lives doing that, or we've accepted abuse in a relationship and wasted years of our lives doing that, instead of further beating ourselves up for it, the most important thing we can do is give ourselves compassion, recognize that we would have done it better if we could have, we're doing it better now, and to release ourselves from that prison of beating ourselves up. I think it's much harder to forgive ourselves than it is to forgive other people. We tend to be more generous because we tend to have enough distance with other people to say, I can see why that person did that. You know, I hear people talk about their parents, some really unspeakable things that parents have done with their children, and children are very quick to forgive their parents sometimes and say, but my mother was abused when she was a child, so that's why she did that. But when it comes to ourselves, we're so tough on ourselves, and we think that if we're tough on ourselves and hold ourselves to a certain standard, that then we won't commit another sin, then we'll be better. But really, it's only in that place of being in classroom earth versus courtroom earth where we're being nice to ourselves, where we can see ourselves as students rather than judge, jury, and executioner, that we can do something different in life and experiment in life.